You take me to the bedroom, show me how to get offended. Lick my lips, I'm not pretending I came here for you. This transaction, no concession. You slip the scales while
Wow, week one, room one.
That has a lot of impact.
Isn't it beautiful?
I feel like these houses are so Australiana, and then we walk in and we catch this view of nature through the Veluxes here, and it just brings that inside. I just think that's amazing.
The decision to go up into the ceiling was a great one with the Velux skylights. Very Aussie. Shayna noted.
It feels very comfy, and for a guest bedroom, to have this amount of space, that amount of wardrobe storage, it's pretty nice. Straight away you go, oh yeah, this could be a master.
Oh my God, that is the best comment from Shayna.
I commend them so much for putting in Venetians. That works with the period, and I adore it.
Oh, is that a relief?
Thank God.
Don't clap, you're clapping too early.
No.
Neil could hardly believe this was just 7 days later for the team that came last in last week's challenge.
7 days later, and they are delivering to this level. I am quite blown away by that. And do you know what else I'm loving is that these are period homes, but I guess I didn't want to see a museum piece. I wanted to see a home that felt contemporary, that nodded to the 20s, and I feel that's what I'm seeing.
Shayna thought the colour combinations feel spot on for the era.
Sometimes those colours are very hard to understand, but they've interpreted them beautifully with the teal and the soft green and the burnt orange and then the...
Deep rose.
Yeah, that's really
beautiful
nice.
colour.
Darren Palmer reckons
This colour palette is spot on trend. They've nailed that. I mean, that's very, very 2020.
Oh, Tashi. I mean, Harry. That was all you.
I know that those colours are coming in, and they're colours I kind of want to carry through the rest of the house, so to hear that just makes me so happy.
Sometimes you go, well, I wouldn't have gone for black downlights, I wouldn't have gone for a black rod, the handles, the black and white artwork, but in this era, it works.
It just feels to me like a very confident room.
wow. He only had seen the tears earlier in the week. He really liked the details.
The deco-style bedhead, the lights that they've chosen for the bedside tables, the marble on the tabletop here. There's just those little touches that give you a sense of period, but feel really in keeping with today.
Right down to the styling of the slippers that Shayna found.
I just have to show you this. That is such a representation of the era. They've really thought about it.
Slippers?
The pantofles, the slippers.
The wardrobes are fantastic.
Wow, I like that.
That's cool.
Yeah. And then on this side, you've also got a pull-down hanger. Like, all this hardware, it actually says luxury.
Now for the execution. The paintwork is very good, Harry.
What I'm looking at is attention to detail.
Yeah.
They've applied the paint really well. They've cut it in beautifully. I love the grey and I love the white. It feels fantastic.
But
There's a but.
certainly not perfect.
The picture rails could probably use another coat. The
And
door
the wall.
could use another coat.
Shayna did have one criticism.
It has been bugging me a little bit, and that's the carpet choice. I'm getting office, not luxury. I probably would have been a dark grey, charcoal. This is for them just to think of.
But that aside, the judges feel like Harry and Tash have well landed on their feet.
Good work, guys.
Guys.
That's awesome.
I mean, they have really, really listened to the comments that we made last week. And to come through with something as accomplished and as finished as this, I think is amazing.
And judging your room was a very happy and positive start to the block 2020.
Nice one.
Good work, guys.
Tash, are you relieved?
Can you tell?
Everybody all at once, come on. Oh. Good on you.
Oh, I'm so proud of what we've done. And I think it also means that second-guessing yourself is actually okay. Because if I hadn't second-guessed myself, some of those things wouldn't have happened.
Well, can you hurry up and second-guess yourself?
Yeah, I'll do it quicker this time.
Okay.